Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater, here today with a video walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 310 SLX Outboard. Boat is the perfect day boat entertainer, and large enough to have very good capabilities, run down to the Keys, stay the weekend. Beautiful horizon hull sides. See, it has the electric anchor, spotlight up on the bow, docking lights. Very clean look with the stainless rub rail in contrast with the white hull bottom. Port side swim platform does have a fold out swim step and bordering ladder over on the starboard side, powered by twin white 300 Mercury Verados. These are the new 4.6 liter V8s. Very smooth, refined, quiet power package for this boat. Sea deck on the swim platform. Extremely spacious lounger, flip up backrests on the transom, Fusion speakers throughout, with Fusion stereo. Very easy entry on the starboard pass-through to the cockpit. Do have an integrated cooler, freshwater shower washdown, additional boarding step. And scanning the cockpit, we'll see the very striking blue LED lighting, teak cockpit table. This boat does have snap-in sea deck throughout. Summer kitchen over on the starboard side with refrigerator below, electric grill. This interior is stone gray, new for 2020, one of my personal favorites. Moving up to the helm, see the digital controls, joystick piloting to make ease of any docking situation, skyhook to hold you in place, twin 9-inch Simrad displays, fully integrated digital switching for your lights and systems. Port side, we have the head, very easy entry, upgraded interior, stainless sink. Wide pass through to the bow for amazing seating for a day of entertaining. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give us a call at MarineMax Clearwater. Again, this is Brian Bachman. You can be reached at 813-503-2649. So give us a call, come see this boat or any others of our in-stock inventory in our indoor showroom, or set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks for joining. See you soon.